I recently launched the Kingdom's Vision 2045, a better life and prosperity for the people and kingdom of Tooro. As you're aware, digital transformation is one of the critical components in the NDP third programs that aims to increase ICT penetration and use of ICT services of social and economic transformation. Most of the young people are challenged with inadequate ICT knowledge and skills, which limits them to showcase their innovative abilities. It also be noted that the digital space in Uganda is steadily growing, and this was quickly adapted during the pandemic. I am glad to inform you that through the King Oil Foundation, we are setting up an ICT center with the aim of providing the youth with practical and innovative digital skills to help them thrive and become competitive in this digital era. With many business sectors going digital at an astounding pace, fueled predominantly by the new digital innovations, I strongly believe that with the ICT Center, the youth here in the kingdom will improve their productivity and will be in position to compete more efficiently in the world marketplace. This ICT Center will focus mainly on the following training areas: secretarial studies, graphic design, programming, hardware maintenance and repairs, database management, systems administration, data management, web designing and development. In a bid to further enhance access to information, provision of up-to-date training and ICT skills enhancement content, I am calling upon all players in the ICT and investment spaces, especially ministries of ICT and finance, Uganda Investment Authority, and all development partners to work collaboratively with the Kingdom to generate more ideas and action-oriented solutions towards the successful implementation of the ICT Center and Tooro Kingdom's Vision 2045 in general. The opportunity to thank our development partners who have already committed to work with Tooro Kingdom towards the achievement of our Vision 2045. We acknowledge and value your immense support. I thank you all for listening to me.